Grilled salmon and daikon miso soup. Daikon radish. Peel about 2 cm of daikon. Cut. Use the leaves and stems as well. Cut into 2 or 3 mm width. Cut in half. Cut in half again. This is a ginkgo cut. Salmon. Cut in 4. Press down on the hard to cut skin to cut. Pour oil into a pot. Grill the salmon, starting with the skin side down. Flip it over once the surface is nicely seared. Wipe off any excess oil with a paper towel. Add water 400 cc. Add the daikon radish. Heating. Dashi broth. 1 teaspoon. Bring it to a boil. Add the daikon stems and leaves. Cover with a lid and simmer for 5 or 6 minutes. Miso. Turn off heat before adding miso. Dissolve 1.5 tablespoon miso. Tasting. Yummy. Put green onions on top. Ready to eat.
I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go.